Howzit, what's cracking? Just got to the top of Diamond Head Crater. Took us about 20 minutes to get up here. Went for a surf last night here with John Boy. Well done. All the way, all the way. Took us for a sunset surf, which was epic. And then my SD card failed. So Kira's gonna show you how we got up here. You, take it away, Kira.
Hello, we are at Diamond Head Crater, which is a really cool hike in Diamond Head, which is just near Waikiki where we're staying. It is hot, but lots of stairs, so hopefully get a good workout to start our morning.
Right, so the way back down is the same way you came up. Down these stairs. Much easier going down them now, in fairness. Thank you, sir. Right, out of the cave. How's that?
Good.
Well,
Pineapple smoothie.
$12.50.
Oh, wow.
It's full to the brim.
That is so good.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Yum.
Oops. Right, so just before we leave, a bit of general info about the place. Parking is very limited here. So there is a wait line usually around here. We had to wait there for about 15 minutes and it's a one in, one out basis. So probably get up earlier if you can. It is $10 to park and then it's $5 per person on the hike. Yeah, the hike's about an hour long. It's not that difficult. It's a bit steep in parts, but it's completely staired, has handrails, very safe, very easy. Views are awesome and yeah, it's a great hike. Something perfect to start off a trip. And then you get your pineapple smoothie just here. 5 bags. Made it to Pioneer Saloon. John hooking us up again. We got the katsu, the salmon katsu. And Sean got a pork bowl. Damn, that looks good, baby. Dig in, son. So Kira went over to Health Bar instead of Pioneer Saloon, and she's got herself
A vegan mixed veg, open sambo, hummus and salad.
holy hicka.
That's you.
All smiles, yeah? All smiles.
Always.
Yes. Little adventure time. Had our food, had our lunch, which was delicious. Now we've gone over to the other side of the island. We headed east over to Makapu Beach. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly. And there's a bit of a shore break here, which is quite cool. So a bit of body surfing. The weather's unreal, as you can see. And I am looking forward to getting into the water after that hike. It's much needed and it is paradise. Paradise, baby. Bit of sunbum, baby. Woo.
Okay, so we're wearing Sunbum SPF 50. I got it for all of us to put on our face every morning. It's EPA and UVB protective, broad spectrum SPF, and it's mineral as well. So it's better for your face. And it's zinc SPF 50, so it really doesn't let any of the sun in. And I think it's up to 80 minutes resistant too. So a little bit of a white cast when we put on zinc, but when you're out in the sun all day, you really need to make sure you got your 50 on. I have a waterproof iPhone case on my phone and Harry has got this really cool underwater
film camera, the Mykonos 5.
So we're at Makapu Beach and and we are going to see what it looks like underwater.
So picked up some Ono seafood poke and then heading down to watch the sunset. Oh, check this out, bro.
What if I'm gonna try seafood? It's gonna be in Hawaii. So good.
Sounds like a beery lull out of yeah, woos! Woo! How's that sunset?